Some credit cards are designed for everyday spending, while others are built purely for premium perks. And that's exactly the space where the Mastercard Black Card and the American Express Platinum Card compete. The Mastercard Black Card, part of the luxury card program, focuses heavily on exclusivity and a premium feel. The card itself is made from stainless steel and carbon, giving it a distinct, heavy-in-hand design. Its rewards program is straightforward. You earn points on every purchase, and redemption is simple, especially for travel. Points are worth a fixed rate when used for airfare, which can make planning trips predictable and easy. The card also offers perks like Priority Pass lounge access, luxury gifts, and 24/7 concierge service. While it's stylish and unique, its reward rates aren't as high as some competitors, so its value is more in the experience and service than raw points earning. The Amex Platinum, on the other hand, is well known for maximizing travel rewards and benefits. It comes with extensive airport lounge access, not just Priority Pass, but also Centurion lounges, Delta Sky Clubs, and more. The earning structure favors travel purchases, particularly flights and hotels booked directly or through Amex Travel. Cardholders get credits for things like airline fees, Uber rides, and certain hotel stays, which can help offset the high annual fee if you use them. Amex Platinum also has one of the strongest concierge and travel booking services, plus frequent limited-time offers through Amex Offers. In terms of fees, both cards carry hefty annual costs, but the Amex Platinum's fee is higher. The difference is that Amex justifies it with a wider range of credits and more generous travel perks, while the Mastercard Black Card focuses on consistent redemption value, premium design, and a more understated brand image. If you prioritize style, simplicity, and predictable travel redemptions, the Mastercard Black Card may be more appealing. If you want maximum travel perks, a wide lounge network, and higher earning potential on trips, the Amex Platinum is likely the better fit. Both cards are undeniably luxury products. The choice really comes down to whether you want your card to be more about the look and exclusivity, or the perks and earning potential.